I want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel, Georgia Roots 24. I'm trying to document or video log what I'm calling my greatest garden ever in 2024. I mean, my goal is ultimately to lead my family towards more healthier options regularly, more greens and vegetables and fruits and things of that sort. And so I think it'll start best if we can grow with our own selves, and then maybe we can appreciate the food more, and maybe it'll help us eat more of it. This is the lucky winner of the day. Check this out. It's two different varieties. These over here are what was called I think a cabbage collard, or collard cabbage. I just remember being intrigued by the name. I'm like, is it a blend or fusion of collard greens and cabbage? But I noticed they grow a little different, right? See, you can tell on these right here how the heads are forming in the middle, and this is the one I'm gonna get. It's firm, and as you see, this one is not quite there yet, but it's getting there, right? But the difference between this variety and this variety, look how these heads form. It's like long. And these, to me, grow like a collard green. Check that out, man. This is beautiful. And in between these rows, see, I got some peas going. One of my co-workers harvested some bamboo. He gave me them. As you see, I grow the peas just simple. I get some yarn and I just do it like that so they can go through. But then I also got a little lettuce under this milk tub. You see that? It's going all right. Then I got a dinosaur kale. But this is the lucky one we're gonna get right here. That's beautiful. Check that out. Beautiful. First harvest of 2024. We're gonna eat this today with some baked chicken. Here we go. Being able to show my children, you know, as they develop and grow, how to do these things and keep this cultural continuity alive, it's really a blessing. But in my mind, I want to cut it at this bottom stem and then just harvest that big old head, right? And I'll show you what I mean. Check it, look at that. It's firm, it's hard, it's beautiful. Check out the mulberry in the back. Now check out the peach over there. Look at that. That's all right. But yeah, let me go grab a knife.
This boy got a hit.
So I invite you on my journey, my gardening journey, as I'm attempting to do my greatest garden of 2024, my greatest garden ever. Please comment and I'll comment back. You comment, I'll subscribe to you, you subscribe to me, and let's just learn from each other. One more thing, let's look at how these roots look. I'm gonna put this in my compost pile, but let's see how deep these roots go. I expected it a lot bigger. They're not taking up too much room, I see. You can easily grow this in like a 5-gallon bucket. Probably less. It's not taking up that much space. From what I've been researching, this cabbage is a heavy feeder, taking up a lot of nutrients in the soil. So before I plant something else in there, I probably throw some compost in it. Go from there, you know what I mean? But check that out. I got a compost pile going, you know. Let's go from there. Georgia Roots 24.